Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you've been dealing with stubborn dark spots or melasma that just won't fade no matter what you try, you are not alone. These skin concerns are incredibly common, but they can also be incredibly frustrating. Today we're diving deep into the science behind melasma and hyperpigmentation, and I'll share everything from at-home skincare tips to dermatologist-approved treatments, including the latest cutting-edge aesthetic procedures that can make a real difference. So whether you're looking for a budget-friendly routine or a professional in-office solution, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your options are and which might work best for you. First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. Melasma is a form of hyperpigmentation, which simply means areas of skin where there's too much pigment, melanin, being produced. It often shows up as patches of brown or gray-brown discoloration on the cheeks, forehead, upper lip, and chin. Here's the tricky part. Melasma isn't caused by just one thing. Common triggers include sun exposure. UV rays are the biggest culprit, activating pigment-producing cells. Hormones, pregnancy, birth control, or hormone therapy can trigger melasma. Genetics, if it runs in your family, you may be more prone. Heat and light exposure, even from indoor sources or hot environments. Dark spots, also called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation (PIH), are a bit different. They can develop after acne, injury, or skin irritation. Daily habits that prevent worsening. Before we jump into treatments, you need to know this. Nothing will work long-term if you're not protecting your skin daily. Here's your prevention toolkit. Sunscreen. Every single day. SPF 50+, broad spectrum with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Reapply every 2 hours when outdoors. Sun protective clothing and hats. Wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and avoiding peak sun hours. Limit heat exposure. Even hot yoga, saunas, or cooking steam can flare melasma. Gentle skincare. Avoid harsh scrubs that can cause irritation and worsen pigment. Think of sunscreen as your non-negotiable first step in any treatment plan. Without it, you're just spinning your wheels. Now, let's talk at-home skincare ingredients that work. The following are skincare actives that dermatologists swear by for fading pigmentation. Key ingredients to look for are vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid. It's a powerful antioxidant, brightens skin, and reduces free radical damage, and is best used in the morning under sunscreen. Niacinamide. It reduces pigment transfer in the skin and soothes inflammation, and great for sensitive skin. Azelaic acid. It brightens and has anti-inflammatory properties and safe to use during pregnancy. Retinoids, retinol, tretinoin, adapalene. These speed up cell turnover, fade spots faster, and best used at night, but start slow to avoid irritation. Tranexamic acid. One of the newer heroes for melasma, can be used topically or taken orally under a doctor's care. Kojic acid. It inhibits melanin production, often found in serums and creams. Here's a pro tip. Layering actives is powerful but can cause irritation if done too aggressively. Start with 1 or 2 key ingredients and introduce others slowly. Exfoliation for brighter skin. Exfoliation is your friend, but the gentle kind. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and BHAs, salicylic acid, help remove the top layer of pigmented skin cells, allowing fresh, even-toned skin to surface. Start once a week, work up to 2 to 3 times per week. Always follow with sunscreen because fresh skin is more vulnerable to UV damage. Cutting-edge dermatology treatments. If you've tried everything at home and your melasma is still laughing at you in the mirror, it's time to talk in-office treatments. Here's what's on the cutting edge. Chemical peels. Professional strength glycolic, lactic, or TCA peels can speed up pigment fading. Newer peels like Cosmoline or Dermamelon are specifically designed for stubborn melasma. Microneedling with tranexamic acid. Tiny needles create microchannels in the skin so pigment-fighting serums penetrate deeper. Also boosts collagen for smoother texture. Laser treatments, but choose wisely. Traditional lasers can make melasma worse, but low-energy Q-switched NDYAG lasers and picosecond lasers have shown good results. The key is using very gentle, repeated sessions rather than aggressive single treatments. Intense pulsed light, IPL, with caution, can help certain types of pigmentation, but may flare melasma if not done properly. Always see an experienced provider. Fractional non-ablative lasers, like Fraxel Clear plus Brilliant. These stimulate cell turnover and break up pigment gently. Topical plus oral combination therapy. Dermatologists may prescribe a combo cream with hydroquinone, retinoid, and a mild steroid for short periods. Oral tranexamic acid is gaining popularity for resistant melasma, but it must be prescribed and monitored by a physician. Advanced aesthetician procedures. If you want professional help without going full dermatologist, medical aestheticians have some amazing tools. Dermaplaning removes surface dead skin and peach fuzz for better product absorption. Oxygen infusion facials with brightening serums calms inflammation while delivering actives deep into the skin. LED light therapy. Red light for collagen stimulation, near-infrared for healing, and green light for pigment control. Enzyme peels. Gentler than acids, great for sensitive skin. Treatment timeline and realistic expectations. Here's the part a lot of people skip. Patience is everything. Melasma and dark spots fade gradually, often over 3 to 6 months with consistent care. You may need maintenance treatments to keep pigment from returning. The goal is control, not necessarily a permanent cure. Think of it like weight management. Once you reach your goal, you still need healthy habits to maintain it. Lifestyle factors that help. Your skin is part of your body's overall health. A diet rich in antioxidants, eating plenty of berries, leafy greens, and vitamin E-rich nuts. Manage stress. Stress hormones can worsen inflammation. And get enough sleep, skin repairs itself at night. So there you have it. From powerful skincare ingredients to next-level dermatology treatments, there are so many ways to fight melasma and dark spots. Remember, protect, treat, and maintain. That's your winning formula. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's struggling with pigmentation, and hit that subscribe button for more beauty science and skincare tips every week. Your skin is on a journey, and you deserve to feel confident every step of the way.